Hey, let me show you how we can try to fix the custom watch faces issues on the Xiaomi Watch 2. So take a look. Here I have my custom screenshot from my phone, but for some reason I still cannot turn this to photos. When I click apply, select this photo, click apply, it is not going to pop on the watch. And I just find a way how we can try to fix this, but let me just wait for it. Now this wheel is going to spin, 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 and nothing is going to happen. So if you still have this issue, or for example, you cannot even get any picture at all, so all you have to do is just to go back and remove all of this watch faces, your custom watch faces, click to delete, and now just select all of these photos watch faces and just remove them from your phone. As you can see, still for some reason we've got these photos right here. Now when we go back, the photos doesn't appear right here, so that's actually the good. Now let's get rid of it. So I just want to delete them, but still there's like, what the hell, I cannot even remove this watch face. Take a look. Okay, maybe because it's set as a main watch face, so I'm gonna change it right now, and maybe we'll be able to do this. Okay, now we can actually delete it. So you have to simply delete all of these custom watch faces that you actually set into your phone, and now you have to simply close this Mi Fitness application, open it one more time, then go into the device and click on the watch faces. From this you will have to scroll down and now pick one of these photo displays. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Let's get, for example, this one. Now click to apply. Now just wait. From this we've got some previous photos, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Click here and pick this picture that you want to apply. I'm gonna actually get this part of the photo, click to continue and select it and click apply. Now wait for this uploading process, and as you can see, now we can finally find the different custom watch face. Sorry for my English, I'm not native speaker, but I try my best. But as you can see, we can actually fix this in this simple way. Tell me if it works right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.